chained up. Oh, shit. Did a little bit of stuff on the Tahoe and moved it back in. Packaged a lot of stuff. Got a lot. I got a lot done today, but it seemed like I didn't. But this is what I've been waiting on. Say the best for last, or the best to me for last. About to pull her out. She's going inside. It's unreal, man. I know a lot of y'all like this piece of junk, but it's okay. I got a vision. I got a vision. It's going in. It's about to go in. Making sure I'm good over there. I'm about to take it in. Hey, it's gonna start though. I'm just trying to pull it out. Cause I can't really start it. I don't got a jump box, which I need to invest in one. I hate using the camera this way because I end up looking away when I think I'm looking at the screen, but I'm actually not. But yeah, let me connect this chain to it real quick. Let's go. Let's go. I got that boy chained up. Oh, that's not nice. Dang, I should just put it on the rear end. This is a tow bar I left this piece on. But yeah, it ain't like that pull. Wasn't even hard though. The one I've been asking you about. Oh, that bike. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. It's all, everything's under control, it's good. I gotta ride the mouth sense off here, but it's still on. It's gonna be a little snotty. But this thing, as far as running wise, it's good. I can't lift the hood up because the hinge is acting up. Now I wanna mess that fender up. But, what I gotta show y'all? Yeah, this harness, I got a whole new harness. So I'm gonna keep this harness and probably redo it sometime when I got time. Redoing this. I never liked the way that looked. So I'm just gonna run a power wire over to the battery. I'm not relocating my battery. There was a couple other things that I said I was gonna change, but I don't remember at the moment. I'm about to fire it up. And it got a fuel leak, I forgot. This happened when I was diagnosing golden rule and I was looking and matching up stuff. And this vent tube, this fuel vacuum tube right there that goes to the regulator. Something happened with it, so I gotta fix that. So as far as running, it's a tip top. Then you got a leak at the water pump, a leak at the rear main seal. It's all this gotta come back out anyway, so I ain't too worried about it. But you got three major leaks: fuel, coolant, and oil. So I gotta just pull it out, replace it, and put it back in. Window cracked up. Got all my stuff, all my inside pieces. G6 roof going in. Posi. The turbo, so this exhaust is gonna come off. Paint, I ordered the paint already. Got primer. Just gotta. Man, this looks fresh. Like somebody done got me. I know I ain't do that. But yeah, I was trying to slap this right here. I remember when I was doing this, and I remember when I was doing this. And I remember when I did that side, and the wind blew like whoosh, and there's a whole bunch of dirt in here. I remember. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and get it started. Regulator wasn't in all the way. I didn't think it was that simple. But it was cold outside when I was trying to troubleshoot it. But no battery in there. Just gonna let it run off the alternator for a second, just to get it over there. Yeah, I probably need to go get a battery. Fuel pump. Man, I got water all over here. I hope I ain't got no rust outs, nothing crazy. She obviously ain't ready yet. Give it a second. Rev this boy up a little bit. Just rev the van up a little bit, cut the AC off. Should be able to get some action out for real. It's time! It's time. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's broken. she got that speed, boy. Need some trans fluid. I got some in Chevy. Let me go get that in that different. Purring. Purring. It came off a truck. I mean, everything in here came off one car, so I knew like everything was good. I just had hiccups on wiring. I don't know what I was doing. Get the dash in here on the floor, but y'all know I'm going with that new thing. What is it that I got? This wood. I can't see what I'm doing. Hey, this thing riding, bro. Take some pictures real quick for the gram. Her time. She made it. I had to go ahead and lock up so I can wash up because I'm tired. If y'all seen, some videos I put up a long time ago. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't put a steam port, and then I tied the little crossover right here. I tied that to the valve cover. Me or my brother. I believe I did it, but I don't really remember. So the coolant and oil was mixing when I left 2017, and I just knew it had a blown head gasket. And when I came back, somebody told me to check that, and I looked at it, and I was like, that was my problem this whole time. But yeah, y'all can see, man, that thing run really good. So my plan is make a lot more progress on the truck, and then I'll start touching that. So, or come on lunch and only touch that, and after work touch the truck. Or I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm trying to get my hands on it too, so I can drive it July, August time frame, hopefully. So we got the panoramic roof, got the 28s, which is not going on there no time soon. I mean, they'll go on for pictures, but I won't ride them. The reason why is I definitely want to get splendors and the trailing arms, because yeah, that 26 tire, how far I gotta go, and the price. But I mean, the price ain't all that bad, but still, the price is bad when I knew that it could have been prevented. So it was like I'm wasting money. So I'll put it on just for pictures and then take it back off, and I'll ride the white leather tires and the rally style wheels, them American racing wheels. 96 Impala rear end. So disc brakes front and back. We got the front splendors and hubs from a 96 Impala. The reason why is I want to be able to rotate the tires. We got Dakota digital dash. That's what it is, Dakota. The turbo, which is going on last, like after everything, once it's running tip top, painted, everything. I've drove it a couple days, whatever. Then we'll start on turbo. I feel like I got a lot more stuff. Doubled in, so we can get a nice console. Doubled in. The 415s probably go in there. It's temporary. So I got 215 sundown SAs that I can put in there permanently, or I mean, it's a lot of stuff. I don't really know, man. I don't really know. So y'all can just tell me, give me some ideas, man. I'm tired. I'm real tired. I want to walk faster, but I can't.